Hello friends, I hope you're doing well, and here app showcase for After Effects 2023 CC and CS6. Here preview file and here tutorial how to redesign or modify these templates. Okay, but these are protected first unit subscription. Go to sheriskpwd.com, just one time payment for lifetime access, and here new store for developer. Okay, so first I show you preview course motion design, not real. You can adjust 6 different page of your application, Android and iPhone. Modern design, functional interface. Okay, discover a new word with others. You can write anything here, or you can mention detail of your application or your app features. Okay, and here files, footage, and here tutorial how to customize or modify it. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Love.